Kamusta naman? How are you again? Great! Great na great! Okay! Kakaiba, quarter-quarter. Since yesterday, alam nyo ba na nandito na ako? At ganyan na ganyan! JD Pats! Grabe! Kakaloka! Okay guys, you might want to promote something. Upcoming shows. Okay, go.
My album, Jane's album, available po yun sa lahat ng record stores nationwide, and you can also download it on iTunes. Ayan.
So, pangin nyo, by the end of this year, magkakaroon na ng album. So,
Movies.
movies, okay. Para sa Hopeless Romantic. End of January 2015.
Alright. And of course, baka gusto nyo silang, do you have your phones with you? You have your phone?
Wala akong pocket eh.
Walang packet na kasi nakadress siya. Alright. Baka gusto nyo i-promote kasi actually medyo marami na kanina ang pwede pa ba humabol for the meet and greet? Pwede pa, no? Alright. Okay.
Selfie tayo, guys.
Ang taray, James, binago ko na. Kasi mas maganda tayo dito. Hindi na capture, hindi na, friend, sorry, hindi ka na kasha eh. Ha? Oo, pinatanggal ko daw. Hindi, joke lang. Ano ba, friends kami ni Nadine? Ano ka ba? Siya, ha? Pinakrap? Hindi, dalawa lang talaga kasha. Okay. Pwede ba kayong mag-selfie? Pa-selfie daw tayo. Turn around, turn around. Alright, maybe you can do it. Ito ang pinaka-goodness, diba, na hinahatid sa atin ng Cherry Mobile. Our newest Me phones. Oo.
Ayan. Yung
Ano masasabi nyo?
Ayan, it's customizable.
Customizable?
Ayan, ito yung sa akin.
Yan talaga yung gusto mo, no? Sobrang. Yours naman is... Sige na, ipakita natin, inggitin natin sila, James. Alright? Nadine, inggitin natin sila. O, diba? Ayan.
Pwede kang pumili ng sarili mo.
At alam nyo ba na merong JD back covers? Sino naka-JD back covers? Alright. Diba? Ang dami nila. Alright. And of course, kaya sila nandyan kasi nag-avail talaga sila. Alright? Okay. Ayan, guys, baka gusto nyo silang pipitahan next leg natin.
Guys, if you want to watch us again, you can catch us November 27 to 28.
27 and 28.
SM North EDSA.
Ayan,
See you guys
kita-kits
there.
tayo.
Okay. Alam nyo na saan? Anong date? Okay. December? November? Just checking. Kasi parang may December. Ano daw? Binibingihan lang may effect. Pa-picture daw. Ayan, para sa Cherry Mobile yan. Alright! James, Nadine, baka gusto niyo bang... okay.
Ayan, and thank you, Cherry Mobile and Forever Cellphone and Accessories.
Antara.
Thank you po.
Oo, ayan. Again and again and again and again and again.
Yes, you know we love you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you so much.